Hey everybody, I'm here today with a very easy and simplistic yet complete video on attaching an electric guitar just like this to headphones just like these ones right over here. I'll specifically be showing you and telling you how to connect them easily in this full tutorial. Let's get right into this instructional video. As you can see right here, this is an electric guitar, and many people think that you can just plug headphones right into the electric guitar and the sound will come out from the headphones, and that is very false. The reason being, the electric guitar doesn't actually have any power source, and headphones require some sort of voltage in order to work. Obviously, they require a very low voltage. You know, headphones can work from your phone, from your computer and stuff like that, but they do require some power to work. Very, very simple. So what you need is an intermediary unit that will provide power to the headphones. So essentially, you need something like this. This is a mixer. Now, this is obviously a really big mixer. You don't need something this big, but it can be much smaller, but you need something intermediary that will provide power to the headphones. So what you need to do is you need to connect the electric guitar into that intermediary unit, and then you can go and take that audio signal and send it out to the headphones themselves. So very simple. As you can see right here, I've connected this 1/4-inch audio jack into the electric guitar. The other end of this 1/4-inch audio jack goes over here, and we're going to plug this into one of the inputs. So you can see right over here, this is one of the inputs over here. So I'm going to plug it into one of the inputs right there. And now, obviously, you know, when it's plugged in and turned on and stuff like that, the electric guitar will be sending sound into the mixer, okay? Then what you're going to do is you're going to get your headphones, and you're going to look for either a headphone jack or a monitor out line. So you can see right here, this actually says monitor line out. You're going to look for this over here, and you're going to plug your headphones into that. Now, obviously, I need an adapter. I can't plug these headphones directly into there because they simply don't fit. But you would get an adapter, and you would plug that adapter into the headphone jack and into either the headphone port on the mixer or the monitor line out. And then you can go ahead and you can hear the electric guitar in your headphones. Very, very simple. It's that easy. You basically need to take your electric guitar, send an audio signal into an intermediary unit, and then take that audio signal and send it out from that intermediary unit into the headphones themselves. It's literally that easy. That is how to connect an electric guitar to headphones. You can't connect them directly unless your headphones are powered. That's a different story. You can do that if they're powered headphones. You know, some wireless headphones, they're powered. You might be able to swing that. It depends on the specific headphones. But yeah, it's literally that simple. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.